Hi everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. Today I will show you how to make omurice. So in case if you don't know about omurice is omelette and rice. It's a very popular food in Japan. So inside the fluffy omelette, you have stir-fried chicken rice flavored with tomato sauce, which is so good. If you want to make your omurice successfully at your home, all you need is follow all the steps I teach in this video. Because remember, your environment, your kitchen, and your tools and your experience is different from chefs. So you don't need to be like a skillful professional chef, but just follow some of the tricks I share in this video. This is chicken. You need 30 grams of chicken for one person. I have already cut into small dice, much smaller than a bite size, and already seasoned with my black pepper, salt, and 1 teaspoon of white wine. If you don't have white wine, it's okay, just season with black pepper and salt. Onion, finely chopped. And you need 1 tablespoon of yellow pepper, finely chopped. You can substitute with green pepper or red pepper, whatever you can have. And brown mushrooms. Today I'm using canned mushroom, but any mushrooms works. Finely sliced. You need about 20 grams for one person. And this is my rice, already cooked. If you want to know how to cook the rice perfectly with the right ratio of water, please watch my YouTube on how to cook perfect rice. I put the link on description. Okay, and you need eggs. For one person, you need 1 egg. And this is tomato ketchup. You will need 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup for one person. First, I want to show you how to make stir-fried rice, because stir-fried rice will be used as a filling of omurice. I have my pan with my butter and cooking oil. I use both. So let's put the pan on the stove. First, add onion to your pan. When your onion is transparent, let's add chicken. When your chicken is cooked, let's add yellow pepper and mushrooms. And I will add my rice. Let's break the crumbs up using a spatula. Let's add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. I will season with black pepper, salt. The tomato flavored chicken rice is complete. So we can turn off the heat now. So before we move on to egg omelette, I need to wash my pan. Let's add a pinch of salt to your egg and whisk well. It's time to wrap your stir-fried rice in egg omelette. Let's add oil. Make sure you heat your pan well before you pour your egg. Okay, I think the pan is well heated. Let's pour your egg mixture, all of it, and spread all over in your pan. So turn off the heat when your egg is half cooked. And let's take your stir-fried rice. How you position your rice on your egg is really important. this is my handle, right? I will be placing my stir-fried rice in one line, in horizontal. You can see that the rice is in one line. It's horizontal. Let's fold the egg on my side, right? Like this. And then take your handle, slide your egg farther away from you. Okay, so you can see that this side of the egg will be lifted. Now I want to transfer my omurice onto my plate. So let's take a plate, hold your handle from the bottom, right? And then flip over. And here you go. Okay, so omurice is beautifully cooked and I think this looks really good. But if you want to make it in a perfect shape, I will show you a trick. So take a piece of plastic wrap and just place it on your egg omelette. And you can reshape over your plastic wrap. Usually when you go to a restaurant, omurice is like in lemon shape, so you can reshape over your plastic wrap. Let's pour tomato ketchup. Omurice is complete. Beautiful. I'm so happy with the result. So today I shared a very basic recipe for omurice. If you want to make variations, instead of tomato ketchup, you can pour white bechamel sauce or demi-glace sauce, also nice. As a filling, you can use any vegetables you have in your fridge. And if you find this video is informative and fun, please subscribe my channel. So, thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!